Hello and welcome to Jikoni Magic's Meza. Today I'm doing things differently because I'm announcing the start of my cooking classes that I'll be offering from Saturday the 31st of March 2018. This is the location and schedule, so please click on the pause button to read it all. I've been receiving lots of requests from you guys here on my YouTube channel, my Facebook page and Instagram for classes, and I'm finally honoring your requests. To kickstart things off will be our beloved Swahili cuisine. We'll learn the two types of biryanis, that is the one that has rojo or stew on the side, and the other one will be the layered one, which for some people tends to be very complicated. Don't worry, your rice will still come out moja moja. We will also learn how to make ukwaju or tamarind sauce. Of course, we'll not be forgetting the spicy viazi vya karai. Some guys have already booked, and for more information, please click on the description box down below. I'm looking forward to interacting with you during this Easter weekend. Bye for now.